to go. Being able to enjoy your outdoor space can often get buggy. The AUGO magnetic screen door will put a stop to these pesky intruders while still allowing the fresh air in. Between uses, you can simply set your AUGO screen door aside with our Stay Open feature, employed by our side snap. Walk through the screen door effortlessly, thanks to our 28 powerful magnets that will instantly shut the screen door behind you. The AUGO magnetic screen door is kid and pet-friendly due to its hands-free entry. Plus, it's quick and easy to install. Keep your home fresh, clean, and insect-free with the AUGO magnetic screen door.